Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July.
Cute. Happy 4th of July, everybody. So, 4th of July is on a Saturday this year, which is fun. But not much is going on because we're still all quarantined. So, we're gonna try to make the best of it. What's tomorrow, guys?
Piper's birthday.
Piper's birthday is tomorrow. So we're just gonna have a fun weekend. I'll probably make these two vlogs separate. So 4th of July vlog and then Piper's birthday vlog. So be on the lookout for her birthday vlog next. But all of their tablets and stuff are so loud. They like to bring their tablets up here while they eat breakfast. Jackson and Piper are dressed and ready for the day in their 4th of July clothes. Little Bean just woke up, and so she will get dressed in a minute. We have not prepared at all for this day. We don't have any food, we don't have any plans, so we're just gonna bring you guys along with us. We'll probably just go to like the pool or something. We're gonna try to find some sparklers for the kids. There are no 4th of July fireworks this year in our town, so that kind of stinks because I feel like this year is like the first year where they can actually like stay up late and enjoy them, when other years we were like trying to rush home or we just skipped them all together. So anyways, we're gonna make the best of it. So we wanted to vlog it because it is a special day and it's a little different than normal. So anyways, we are eating breakfast and getting going with the day. Okay, look at everyone's cute outfits. We're about to do a little photo shoot.
Me and Piper.
Since they're so cute. And I got the good camera out here. I'm still in my pajamas. And Daddy went to the grocery store to get us some fun stuff for the day. You guys ready to smile good for me?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
The grass itches my feet so bad.
So, as you guys saw, taking pictures with the kids has gotten a lot harder. They have their own opinions and everything, which is fine. But there was a lot of, they didn't like the grass. So our lawn guy had just come and there was like wet grass everywhere. So we got some cute pictures. You can check them out on Instagram. Now we're at the pool. We thought the pool would be like super crowded. And I think it probably will be like after lunch. So we decided to come early. Chris went to the grocery store to try to get stuff for us to eat and then like some fun stuff for the kids, like sparklers or something, but he couldn't find any, so that's a big bummer. So hopefully, I also wanted to get like those bomb pops. It's our fault for waiting till today to try to get this stuff. But he went to Kroger, which is a grocery store here, and so I decided to order from Publix on Instacart to see if maybe they had that, because there was also one other thing that I wanted to make, like this flag platter. So if not, it's okay. The kids don't really know any different, so but we're spending time at the pool. So Chris is wearing a shark fin, acting like a shark, but Piper started swimming. Piper started swimming without a floaty last summer, and then with the quarantine and everything, we did not go to the pool very much at the beginning of this spring, and we were worried that she would like forget how to swim, but she is a little fish, guys. She is a good swimmer. So we have 3 swimmers now. came outside because Chris is playing music inside and it's kind of loud. So what time is it even? It's already 4 o'clock. Oh my gosh. So we got back from the pool. We ate lunch. The kids had a push pop, which they've never had before, so they really enjoyed that. I did get the bomb pops, like the red, white, and blue. Sorry, my nose is peeling from being sunburnt. The red, white, and blue pops from Instacart, which I'm really excited about, so we're gonna have those after dinner. And I got the white pretzels that I needed for my flag platter, so yay for that. I feel bad because I sent Chris to, I have hair all over me because I just blow dried and straightened and curled my hair. I sent Chris to the grocery store this morning because, as you guys know, with the coronavirus and everything, we have not really even gone into the grocery store. I think Chris has gone in like 1 or 2 times maybe to get like something to grill, because sometimes Instacart doesn't pick like the best meats. So he's gone in like really quick to like get one thing. But then this morning, I really wanted to find some sparklers or like little flags or something for the kids. And I thought that Kroger would have that. And I looked on Instacart and they don't have like holiday stuff on Instacart. It's just like their normal food, everyday stuff. So I was like, can you please just go look? And so I feel bad because he said they didn't have anything like at all. So anything that he did get, we could have got on Instacart. But anyways, when we ate lunch, we watched The Sandlot, which is not like a patriotic movie or anything, but it's like in the summertime, the kids love that movie. They do celebrate 4th of July in that movie. And we like rested a little bit. We were only at the pool for like an hour and a half, but it was so sunny, and I think that everyone was just like dead to the world. So they had a little bit of a quiet time, which was nice. And now we are getting ready to grill some food, have some dinner. The one thing about 4th of July now is...
What? Do you know your old cameras?
Yeah, it's on the white tray.
Okay. Where on the white tray?
Just on the white tray somewhere. The kids love to film their own videos, and I let them use my old camera. Anyways, actually 2 things. One, now River came out here and he left the door wide open. Today is actually my grandfather's birthday. He passed away 4 years ago. No, not 4 years ago. 5 years ago. 5 years ago? No, 4 years ago. 4 years ago in May, because I was pregnant with Piper. So he never met Piper. And, but his birthday is today, 4th of July. So anything like patriotic reminds me of my grandfather. So this day is kind of like remembering him, and he like always had flag stuff. That's why it's like, obviously my freedom in this country and everything is another reason to celebrate, but I love celebrating 4th of July because of him. But also what I wanted to say was, sometimes in the past, this is to be the 4th year now, it's kind of hard to, I was gonna say it's kind of hard to celebrate. I don't really know what I'm trying to say. I anticipate Piper's birthday the next day and think about all the things that I want to like get ready for her birthday, so it kind of like doesn't ruin the day, but I'm like constantly thinking, like, especially today, because we canceled, I don't think, maybe we didn't tell you guys, we canceled Piper's birthday party. We only invited family members to begin with, because even if like things were back to normal, we just didn't really want to have like too big of a crowd here. And so we only invited family members, but then we just like didn't feel good about it. Like the numbers here are just like skyrocketing, and we just didn't feel comfortable, so we canceled her party. I'm sure my parents and maybe my brother will come over tomorrow, but it's not going to be like a big party all day or anything crazy like that. I feel like I'm going on a tangent. But anyways, so now we're having still a party with just her, but I definitely want to make it special since she's not having like a big party. And so I want to like decorate tonight and get ready tonight. And so that's kind of what I've been like thinking about all day, is like, what do I need to do? I imagine some other years we can just like concentrate on her birthday party, but her birthday landed on a Sunday this year. So we're just having like her birthday and her party all on the same day. So I guess in other years we can just like do her birthday as like just family, and then her party can be on the weekend, but I don't know. I think you guys understand what I'm saying. So today has been fun, but I've also been like thinking about her party tomorrow. So anyways, I'm excited to share that video with you guys. I'm sure tomorrow is gonna be so much fun. Her theme is ice cream, like an ice cream party. And then she was funny. She kept changing her mind. And finally I told her after I ordered stuff, I was like, sorry baby, you cannot change your mind anymore because I've already ordered stuff. But she wanted an ice cream party, but then she wanted a fairy cake. So she has like 2 themes. But anyways, we're all just relaxing and having a pretty good day. And here in a little bit we will do some more festive stuff. But the kids are playing upstairs and doing their Saturday thing.
Hi guys! What is it? 4th of July? It's 4th of July!
Tell them what's all over your face.
Paint's all over my face. We painted the birdhouse.
Oh, I wonder if I can show you guys our baby birds. I'm gonna go try to show them the baby birds. We have baby birds in our palm tree, and the only, sorry, I was making sure this is actually our camera because there's the other camera. The only thing is that I'm pretty sure it's a mockingbird, and my mother and father-in-law said that they'll like attack. So I don't want to be attacked.
Mommy, you can be
go see if they're over
filming
there.
and I can be filming. So guys,
Oh, I think I just saw the mom fly over there. Hold on.
and guys, this is gonna be my camera and that's gonna be Mommy's camera. We're both gonna be filming. Hi guys, it's 4th of July.
Okay, I just saw the mom fly away. Let's go do this. Okay, so they're in this palm tree.
I'm like a real filmer, guys, because I'm good at filming.
You guys, they're getting so big. They're getting so big. I hope, can you see them? Okay, so something else Piper did. Where's the box to this thing? She started painting her birdhouse that Mimi got for her birthday. And then she also got this rock collection, which I don't know if we'll do either today or tomorrow. Depends on if we have time.
Taking a little minute to talk, but now I'm going to be turning you guys off and talk a minute. In a second. Hi.
Do you like your birdhouse?
Uh-huh.
It looks beautiful so far.
I want to build it now.
Don't forget the gems. All right, let's go check to see what the other children are up to. What kind of messes this house looks like. Okay, Piper's room is messy. Jane, what are you doing? Watching her tablet and eating some muffins. She definitely has a mess. Yeah. Do you want your curtains closed or open?
I'm closed. I'm about to open.
Okay. And then who knows where Jackson is? He must be upstairs. Let's go see what he's up to. Sounds like he's on a tablet too. I'm telling you guys, the pool wore these kids out. And me. But yeah. Hey bud. Are you having a good 4th of July? Are your eyes feeling better?
Great!
You want to tell them what happened to your eyes?
I was underwater too long, and then my eyes hurt.
From opening your eyes underwater. The kids are such good swimmers, but they don't really love wearing goggles, and they open their eyes underwater. So a lot of times the water here, our pool here, is salt water. So then their eyes end up hurting. Oh, look. Let me zoom. Look, Mom's back. There she goes. There she goes. Did you see? This is where they are right there. Okay, we've moved on to rock painting. This one's fun because it comes with little, like, I think these are basically like tattoos for your rock. It says you have to paint it first, then put this on, and then you can paint more. It's so cute. Everyone has 3 rocks, and then I have a rock for you, Dad, if you want to do one.
Ooh, I'm gonna get my hands dirty.
You look so excited.
I'm gonna paint this piece.
This is actually the second rock collection that we have. I think somebody must have gotten one for Christmas or something. I know the whole idea about these rocks is, yeah, these are Jane's, I think, because they are glow in the dark, or it was her set. But I know the idea, this one's not even painted, is to like put these out and find them, but the kids wanted to keep them. I think we might have put some of them in the backyard, but this one we found in Disney World, and this one we found in Disney World. Look how cute this one is. So cute. And then this one, I can't remember, we found this one somewhere. Again, guys, don't come for us. The kids get so excited that they find these that they want to keep them. I'm sure one day we'll move them. Oh, there's arguing. Must have found this one somewhere. We have so many painted rocks, guys. So we're just adding on to our pretty rock collection. Is there arguing out here?
I want this to be in the middle so I can reach.
Okay.
I can't reach. But she's gonna
Okay.
mess up.
You can definitely reach when it's right there, Piper.
But how am I gonna get my blue?
Oh, the paint?
Yeah. Piper, no, you're putting my hair on my rock. Piper, you gotta dry off. Yes.
You know when you think like you're gonna have like this wonderful, peaceful time doing an arts and crafts project,
Dry it off.
and then this is how it turns out.
No. And it's always my birthday. And it's on my birthday. So cute. That's done, Mama.
Wow.
Mommy, I want more.
You can put more paint on your rock.
White. I'm gonna put every color. I'm gonna put all the colors on this that we have.
All right, we're ready to eat. Here's my little flag thing I wanted to make. Super cute. So you guys can eat some strawberries and blueberries and pretzels too, okay? No? Okay.
I love these.
All right, let's eat. What, buddy?
I feel like I fell off the roof. Mom, guess what I had to? Mom, you know I fell off the roof of the house.
Oh, you okay?
I fell off the roof of the house. Wow! The American. No, it's
Sit down.
the July popsicle. I remember having these last year. Didn't we? We had these last year.
These aren't technically bomb pops, but
Wow!
they're firecracker
It's
pops.
a 4th of July popsicle.
Happy 4th of July.
So good.
I wish we were going right now to see
Mom,
fireworks,
guess what?
but
Can I tell you something? Mom, can I tell you something? Yes.
What?
I did. I've seen commercials of these, and every time they eat them, Like, there's a blue girl, there's a white girl, there's a red girl. Mom.
What?
A blue girl. I like these.
You don't like them?
They're too flavory. This one tastes like cherry. This one tastes like white cherry. This one tastes like blue cherry.
All right, take a bite. Let me get your picture. Or hold it in front of you and smile.
Flavory.
Come on.
Oh, God, I can
Tell
see
Mom
a
why you
stick.
don't like them.
I don't like them because they're too flavory.
Hmm?
They're too flavory. I don't like them. I like them.
But you're eating it.
Too much flavor.
What do you want it to taste like? Nothing?
I want it
What
to
was
taste
that
like
noise?
all cherries. I'm so gassy today.
What was that noise?
Do it again. I do it.
Why'd you move, bud?
Because I don't want to smell it.
Too flavory, huh?
You want it to taste like nothing, Piper?
I want it to taste like blueberry.
Oh, just one flavor?
I
Oh,
want this to
too
taste
many
like blueberry.
flavors. It's too flavory, like there are too many flavors.
Mommy.
I'm Daddy.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I'm holding it. Blueberry. Dad, I'm holding my popsicle.
Well, did you guys have a good 4th of July?
Mommy. Mom, look, I'm holding it.
Good.
Mommy, is that a
Oh my gosh.
No, that's the end of your stick.
By the looks of Piper's face
You got stuff
and
all over you. You got stuff
legs and outfit, looks like you had a great day. And what's tomorrow?
Where'd this come from?
My birthday. Mama.
Where'd this come from?
Now I ate these
No idea.
Mama.
What?
We're
Mama.
not-
I ate this, but I can't eat this because
The stick. I know. You have to
But
eat
I
it.
can go.
You think I can throw it into the water from here, Jack?
I can.
Careful, because it might fall off too once it gets close.
Go.
You don't think I
Ooh,
can?
that doesn't hurt your teeth.
You gonna get it there, Mom?
What?
You gonna get this in the water from here?
No.
Well, get River. It's
River.
I feel like I'm a pool mustard.
Mommy, I don't like it because it's too cold. What are you gonna? What'd you
Oh,
just do?
okay. He got it.
What'd you just
He
do?
threw a big old rock into the water.
I made it. I cleared it. I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Wow. That was impressive.
I don't know. It's Jackson's baseball.
Nope. It was a black rock I found on my table. Nobody knew.
Now
what
I
it
want
was.
to try. Far thrower.
A far thrower.
I've never been a far thrower, but
You're more of a
I'm
infield
like short
player,
distance. Like I have to run and then throw it.
like Smalls from the Sandlot.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna get a running start.
All right. Watch out, guys.
Mom, I don't think that. What the?
Oh,
Okay.
you barely cleared the card path.
Pretty far, actually.
Who goes into the far away and I go the pond where everyone goes and then they get eaten from alligators? Sometimes alligators are sleeping.
River.
River. Yeah.
Do another one. Do another one.
River, like a river where your number one fan.
Yeah, do another one. There.
Who's the fastest at running? Okay.
Mom.
Yeah, Mommy.
No way, Mom's
Mommy.
faster than me.
Let's see you guys do a race.
How about
Who's
who?
in no way that has a loose? Who has a loose tooth? Two loose. Did I just say braces? I
That's right, Jane.
used.
Jane.
I don't have two loose teeth, but I used. Who throws the rock and hits Daddy's wiener?
Piper.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha
A girl that was named Piper.
A bad ant.
Got it. Me.
Wait, you're an ant that bit a girl named Piper?
No, remember when we were getting ready to go pull my That's
H. Yeah, how
Someone ate an ant without telling anybody.
flower
And a sister.
How does a flower
get a boat
like
across the
that.
lake?
How did a flower get a boat across the lake?
It pedaled.
Yeah! No! No!
Say it rose.
That's how I felt at New Year's. 2020, yeah!
No!
Look. Who toots much the best? Across the lake, not
Piper.
yeah, me.
In the lake. No.
Who's gonna have their birthday after this day? Piper!
Piper!
Hey! What number is Piper going to get? How old is Piper going to get on her birthday? 4! Yeah. Whoever gets the 4 trophy wins from soccer. Me? Yeah. Whoever gets a birthday present on their birthday, that's a talking unicorn that walks and talks and closes their eyes and goes to sleep. It's okay. Her baby doll. It's still a trophy.
You get that?
It's okay because I'm still a pro at it. Me. Who has a blue lip from eating a popsicle? First, Jackson, we had a July popsicle.
A what?
A 4th of July popsicle.
Who?
Jackson. All the kids ate one. That's for dessert. Piper reads another joke and she says, Daddy and Mommy take a jug of playing a game and it's called Pop the Pig, and whoever pops, and when it pops and someone put the hamburger in, they lose it. Oh, and a poopy bubble, and whoever loses gets to pick up dog poop.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, that's the rule.
Oh, there's another one. I got one. Who draws on theirself and colors on theirself and makes the prettiest coloring? Piper. Yeah, me. No! I was about to say, I got a stick. Piper and Jay have the best coloring ever. Guys, guess what? Who poops the most? Who
You.
Hey, Daddy, who has the stinkiest feet and who has a one loose tooth? Here, help. Piper, Daddy has the stinkiest feet and I have a
No,
loose tooth.
you have the stinkiest feet. Or
Piper does.
I don't know, Jane's.
It's Jane that
Piper's the sweatiest, but Jane's
smell
the
mine.
stinkiest.
If your Daddy cooks the cooler and he's cool at cooking, he's the best daddy ever. I smelled your feet and then it doesn't smell. Came over on
Who smells
Piper's
stinky?
birthday.
We're feeling so left out.
We can barely see the fireworks over there. There's some sparks.
Well, like, listen how loud.
I know. They're like
Hold
right
on.
behind the woods.
Shh. Listen. First of all, look at that moon. That is like.
Oh,
There's one.
I can see it.
Guys, so fireworks are illegal. Fireworks are illegal where we live, but people don't like to follow the rules. And you can hear them everywhere. We just can't see any.
You can barely.
I'm surprised this guy's out here. He's scared. Hear all that?
What's that?
They're all fireworks.
Wait, I saw some red behind you. No, that's just the lighting.
We just saw a bunny out here.
Seriously. That moon.
I know, it's crazy.
Oh my God!
I'm so sad.
I am too. Wish we could see.
All right, so that, can you put these back in the garage? That does it for our day. Like I said, I feel so left out. I wish we could watch fireworks. It's like the best part of 4th of July.
There'll be plenty more 4th of July's. Celebrate, not the one.
Yeah, you don't know. Anyways, on to I'm getting laundry started early. You guys know I do all my laundry on Sunday, but I'm gonna try not to do much tomorrow because it's Piper's birthday. So we are gonna switch gears now, try to get her to go to bed so we can start decorating for her birthday. I know, she keeps coming out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed our 4th of July video. I hope that you guys all had a great 4th of July. I know it's looking a little different this year for pretty much all of us, but I hope that you still had a way of celebrating and still had time to remember that, remember all of the people that died for us so that we could live in a free country. So anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you guys in our next video.